Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. Over recent weeks, I've found myself thinking a lot about a photograph that was taken during the Blitz, the time in 1940-1941, when London was being bombed every day by the Germans. And in this photo, there's a picture of a milkman carrying his pints of milk to deliver. And he's walking over this huge pile of rubble from where a building's obviously been destroyed by the bomb. And this photo became iconic. It became a symbol of the spirit of Londoners during the Blitz. And I guess it became so famous because it's a testament to the way in which people manage to go about their daily lives, even in extreme circumstances. I guess I've been thinking about this recently because, as you may know, we have a Ukrainian woman, Ksenia, from Kharkiv, and her 6-year-old son living with us at the moment. And every couple of days, Ksenia phones her mum back home in Ukraine and reports on what she's been up to. And even though she's living in a war zone at the moment, she's basically just going about her daily life, planting her potatoes, looking after the garden, trying to continue living as normal a life as possible under the circumstances. When we talk about people going about their daily lives or going about their daily business or going about their daily activities, we basically mean that they're continuing to do things that they normally do, even though they're not in normal circumstances. So you might sort of talk about, when there's a bomb that goes off in a city, people were simply going about their daily business, using public transport to get home when the bomb exploded. Or maybe if there've been terrible riots and civil unrest in a city, on the news a couple of days later, you might hear something like, "There have been no further reports of violence in the area. Most people have been going about their daily activities as usual." If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use going about your daily life, going about your daily business.